So how does the deep button release needle work? First, you need to find a piece of leather or fabric matching the color of your sofa. Then you need to make the button. I've also made a video in which I will explain all about the button machine and dies further on in this course. Furthermore, you will need button twine, a scissors, and the matching clasps for the needle. Fasten the twine with a loop to the clasps. Put the clasps into the slot. As you can see, if you push the spring, it will release the clasp. When applying, hold the twine. Push the needle into the hole as far as you can until you feel a surface where the clasps can hang on to. Turn the needle and push the spring handle. Pull the handle back. Meanwhile, don't forget to hold the twine. Make a loop by getting the twine through the hook of your button. Push the button as tight as you can. And make some knots. Cut the twine off and tuck it under the button. Enjoy the view.